What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chubbs and welcome back to another video. It is a beautiful day here in Southern California. It's a little warm, but there's a nice little breeze and everything is not too hot. We finally got the tires, and we're finally gonna be able to drive the truck without rubbing anywhere and being able to turn finally. So I just finishing up loading up all the tires, and gonna load up the rims with the stock tires and go to Bloomington Tires to get them set up. Shout out to Enrique for giving me a good ass deal to take my truck over and get these tires installed. So shout out to you, bro, if you're watching. Thank you. And all right, guys, let's finish putting everything in the truck and let's get going. Also, the winner from the last decal giveaway was Jose Acuna. If you still haven't hit me up, so hit me up as soon as you can, and I'm gonna choose another winner tonight for this last giveaway. Well, no, it's not the last one, second to last giveaway. So make sure you guys go down in the comments, hashtag Big O Chubbs, hashtag Frankie Danky, hashtag Big O Crew. Also, I'm thinking of making some hats or shirts that say Big O Crew on it, so if you guys think that's a good idea, leave it down in the comments. But let's get started with all this. Alright guys, let's get going. Look how clean he left the interior. Look at that. Damn. Alright, so the road to this shop is might be pretty bumpy, so I'm gonna have to take it really slow. So I'm not gonna record, because then it's gonna be like a 50-minute video of me just driving to the shop. So I'll catch you guys when we're there. Holy fuck. Alright, finally getting home. Let's get the truck in here. So much easier to turn out. Alright, I'm gonna go eat some breakfast even though it's like 1 o'clock already, and then I'm gonna come back out and put the other two rear 22s on, get the truck looking nice. Alright, let's get these rims on finally. Damn, it's so nice outside. Got a really nice little breeze. Got a nice truck outside. Oh, also forgot, I got a new part for the car. There's a hot side intercooler pipe, because when I bought the intercooler, it was just the intercooler itself, and doesn't give it as much power as it would with aftermarket performance intercooler piping. So we're gonna do that too. Probably do that off camera though. But for now, let's get all these tires off, lift the truck, and get the rims on it. I'm also gonna have the chance to use my new power tool, but I need to get some impact sockets and a jack that's for trucks. don't even know if this jack's gonna fit under. Alright guys, so I struggled a little bit lifting it up. I definitely need a better jack, because this one's pretty much for cars, but so I'm gonna just do this real quick, because this ain't safe. Lionheart. I don't know about this, guys. Oh yeah, the reason I'm doing it myself is because I forgot all these lug nuts at home, so my dumb ass. Alright, let me just do the other side real quick and we'll get back to it. But look at that. So far, what do you guys think? Oh, that's amazing. That's amazing. Alright guys, the truck is finally lowered on the 22s and it looks amazing. Watch this, guys, watch this. You guys are not ready to see this, man. Damn, the truck looks so freaking good. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. God damn, look at that. Holy shit. Look at that. Oh shit, that's nice. Look at that. Oof. God damn. Hell yeah, what do you guys think? Damn guys, the truck looks amazing. I cannot express how freaking excited and in love I am with this freaking truck. This thing looks amazing. What do you guys think? Leave a comment. So finally, rims are on, it's lowered. I need to fix the exhaust though, because those pipes are gonna be all flat by the end of like this month or something, so stay tuned for that. I gotta fix that. And up next, Denali front end, finally. So like I said, I'm gonna start looking for the parts now for the front end swap, and we're gonna go from there. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hopefully you guys are in love with the truck as much as I am. Goddamn, it looks freaking good. Look at that. It looks amazing. Soon I'm gonna try to go out, take it to a spot and do a little video shoot with it and everything, and get some rolling shots so I could get you guys some footage and some pictures and everything. I also want to make a nice big poster of a rolling shot of my truck so I could put it in the office room, and yeah, and probably even make some posters for you guys to buy. Also, if you guys think that's a good idea, also leave it down in the comments. Let me know what kind of products you guys want me to put out, because I'm gonna start something, and I'm gonna have some other stuff on my Big Cartel website, not just my decals. So let me know what you guys want. I'll make it for you guys, hopefully very soon. So yeah, all right guys, this is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment, like, subscribe if you're new. Subscribe if you're not new. Go share my videos and everything. I really appreciate it. Help out. And if you guys want to buy a decal, go ahead. There's a link down in my description. It helps a lot, and it'll help me get more stuff for the truck and get you guys more videos as well. So I appreciate every single one of you guys. That's it. TCB, everybody. Do a quick little walk around. Beautiful, beautiful. And the last video I posted, a lot of you guys gave me some good advice on who to go to take my truck to get painted and everything. I appreciate you guys. Stay tuned for a paint. I'm out here at the park taking some pictures. Gotta get some for the Instagram. If you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, it's at Big O Chubs. Go check it out. God damn. Do y'all know who that is?
So do I park on that side?
Yeah. Park right there.
I have my camera, should I, or what?
OG, triple OG.
I have my fucking monopod. Fuck, dude.
It's my homie Sergio right here.
Wait, watch it when there's just fucking snakes here. Oh, you're vlogging it? That's brutal.
Oh damn, that's perfect.
Dude, you did all this for a picture. We're gonna picture from the front. What are you doing? Hey, then he's gonna post. Fuck the police. I just want to get a picture. Hold on, let me just get a picture real quick. I want to picture out.